How to fix the Honor 90 or 90 Lite screen flickering issue. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone. So after restarting your phone, it will help you to fix the screen flickering issue. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, and then in settings tap on display and brightness. Now here you will see a automatic button with the brightness slider. So tap on this button to turn it off. So if you have enabled automatic brightness, then turn it off, and after turning off auto brightness, the screen flickering issue will be fixed. But after turning off the auto brightness, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the software, the screen flickering issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen flickering issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.